Hi guys. I want to go over a couple of things that I want you to get uniformly. Some of the things that you probably need to be thinking about doing as you're turning in assignments. There are some things that you have to learn in this class, and some of the things that you need to be prepared for when you leave school. One of those things is being able to organize, maintain files, and saving them. So I want to go through, and something we'll be practicing in this class for you guys to make sure that you're able to do these in this. So I'm going to do a couple of videos real quick to show you the things that you need to be doing. So think about how you're saving your files. We don't want to, and I want to show you kind of an idea of our files extensions to be this long, or in this manner, this long. We need to name our files exactly what they're supposed to be named, the assignments. That way we can find them easy and we can store them well. And I also want to make sure that everyone in this classroom and in this for this class is doing this so that they can find the work. So that if they have an issue with something that's going on, they can quickly find it, show it to me, or to show it to someone else. Remember, in this class, if you don't have it in your Google Drive and it's asked for it to be regraded, that means you didn't do it. It means you need to redo it. It's up to you whether or not you do it or not, but understand the grade if you can't show it. So when you leave school and you collect files or information and someone wants to pay you for that information, your storing that information is going to be real important to you maintaining that. So the first thing I want you to do, and I want everybody to make sure they're doing this on your Google Drive, I want to make sure that when you go to your Google Drive, you come here, and we've talked about this, and I've asked everyone to do it. If you haven't done it yet, this is what I want you to do for the rest of the school year. I want you to come here, and I want you to create new. Then I want you to go to folder. I want you to come to folder, and I want you to create a AV production folder. It's going to be easy to do. And this is where we're going to store everything. On your Google Drive, you have unlimited amount of storage space. Now I'm going to ask you to use it. So I wanted you to do this, and I've already created one, so I'm going to cancel this one, and you will find mine as I'm looking for it. It's here, don't you? It's right here. Is my media production folder. This is what where I store all my stuff. And I want you to do the same thing. My class videos are here. So I want you, just like this, and I'm going to operate out of another folder for this. So that's the first thing I want you to do. Second thing I want you to do is I want you to make sure that you have all your videos in those folders. And they're in one folder so that you can always find them. In my folder where it says AV production videos is where I store all my folders that I shoot. Now I want you, and I want you to do it on a regular basis, to title everything according to the assignment that we're doing, your initials, and the date. And along with you're going to maintain. So the first thing I want to do, and this is the way you change the name for a video into something that you can use. When you come here, you can hit Control on the PC. You can go up to File and go down. You want to remove. Here's the download. Here's abuse. Here's to make a copy of it. Here's rename. I want you to rename your folder once you put it up there. This was for my cinematic movement. So I want to say movement. And there was a tracking. And I want to put my initials. And I'm just going to use today's date, which was, today's date is 1. And I'm going to say 4. And I'm going to say 20. Remember, the extension stays there because that tells the computer what type of file it is. It should be easy and simple. I'm going to be asking you to do something with this to demonstrate that you understand this. 1, 4, okay. And that should be my initials, JW. And then I'm going to click OK and see how that changes. So this way, when you need your files and you need to find them, you can come to Google Drive, instantly come here, find that video, and click on it and go through Canvas and upload it quickly. Your ability to organize and do these things are going to be critical to everything you do. So thanks. If you have any questions from that, remember to ask me at the end of class or send me an email to address any other ways of doing that. Thanks again.